This question is from GATE 2016, Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 21. Under optimal conditions of the process, the temperatures experienced by a copper workpiece in fusion welding, brazing and soldering are such that, so there is comparison given in all three temperatures in welding, soldering and brazing. We have to identify which of these comparisons is correct. Let's try and understand the temperatures required in each of the processes. Now, first thing, we know that welding involves melting of the joining parts. That is, need to melt metals. It's very well known that metals have a very high melting point. And hence we know that temperature involved in welding is the maximum of all three. Let's understand the other two processes also. In brazing, what is done is filler material is made to melt and flow into the joint. Brazing develops a more closely fitted joint as compared to soldering. And we have temperatures in brazing that are involved are generally greater than 427 degrees Celsius. And for welding, we already know welding involves temperatures even higher than 1000 degrees Celsius. Hence, we know temperature in brazing is less than temperature involved in welding. Now let's look at soldering. It involves the melting of solder material or the filler material using a hot iron gun. And the temperatures that are involved in soldering are generally less than 427 degrees Celsius. And so we have temperature in soldering is even less than temperature in brazing. The relation that we get is temperature of welding is greater than temperature of brazing is greater than temperature of soldering. Let's look for the correct option. Hence the correct option here is option D. To learn about brazing, soldering and welding in detail, you can refer to the NPTEL video Brazing, Soldering and Braze Welding, Module 4, Arc Welding Process from the course Welding Engineering. It's by Dr. D.K. Dwivedi. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Roorkee. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.